Hello everyone, I am Huma from Raval Convent School. And today we will taking up the topic of paragraph writing. I hope you all are doing good. I will be telling you the steps to be followed and I will be giving some tips to write a good paragraph or beautiful paragraph. So, student, what is paragraph writing? A series of sentences that are organized and are related to one single topic. So, student, while writing a paragraph, I will be telling you the steps to be followed and I will be giving some tips to write a good paragraph or beautiful paragraph. So, the first thing that you keep in mind is that when you are attempting to write a paragraph, you should never be in a hurry. You have to take your time. So, the first step will be to draw an outline. So, while you are drawing an outline, what you are doing is that you are thinking, and when you think, get ideas and points regarding the paragraph. These ideas and points can be included in final paragraph. So let's begin, students. In order to understand the steps of outlining, we will take an example. Suppose that you have to write on a topic of my best friend. So the title most probably given in the questions. So you will write the title My Best Friend. So students, let me your best friend. Suppose this is my best friend. So we start answering questions like who, when, where, how and what. Okay, so let's start answering those questions like who. Who is your best friend? So you will write the name of your best friend in your rough outline. So here in this example, we are taking name of your best friend to be Sam. Okay. So the next question that we can ask, where do Sam live? So the answer is he live next door. Students, please make sure that don't use complete sentences and the only short points like next door. Short hairs like this. We will be writing complete sentence in the paragraph itself. Okay. So now ask questions starting with how. How do Sam look? So he has short hairs, he is thin, he is mischievous. Okay, think like this now about his personality or character. Now students, we will ask questions starting with what like, what he loves. He loves animals. What he likes cake and chocolates. So now you are include more things about Sam, like he plays in park, he have pet dog, he tells two stories, you help each other and he makes funny faces. So these are the little things about your best friend that you would like to include in the paragraph. So it will depend upon what you want to write and what are your ideas. So it can be different. So the last part is when you ask question, you think when. Like when you guys met. You met in school and that's how you make an outline for your paragraph. First step of outlining is done here. Now you must know paragraph consists of three different parts. The first one is the introduction, second one is body and the third is conclusion. You have to design your paragraph in these three categories. So let's begin with the introduction. Students, remember that introduction is the first most part of your paragraph. So it is very important to make it most interesting. Introduce your purpose of writing, what to expect, and tell readers the purpose of your paragraph. Keep your introduction lines short. Try to make your introduction in 2 to 3 lines only. Now comes to the second part of your paragraph, that is body. This section is the main section and you will take a major point which will relate it to reasoning, example and personal stories. And lastly, we have conclusion. Where we come to the end of our paragraph, it helps in providing smooth ending. You will take up the important points and restate them in the last few sentences. And like this, you can end up your paragraph. You can include your views, opinions in the last line as a conclusion, because you have sum up or wrap your paragraph here. Now let's go back to an example that we have did about my best friend. Here we will discuss about the introduction. My best friend. We can write like this. My best friend name is Sam. He lives in the house next door. He is very thin and smaller than the other boys. He has very short brown hair and naughty smile. So next come our body part. We can start our paragraph like this. I met him in the school. He smiled shyly and softly. He told me his name and I told him mine. We played together and had lunch together. We have been inseparable since then. Sam loves eating chocolates and cake. He always gets into trouble for eating too many. He also likes drawing, coloring, and he is won a few art competition too. He loves taking care of his pet dog, Jumper. He takes Jumper to the park every evening. And the last come your conclusion part, in which you have to sum up your paragraph. Sam is very quiet around people. He doesn't know, but in reality he is very mischievous and makes funny faces at me. When I study, which I like, I admire him for being kind to animals. He is very gentle with them and likes feeding birds at the park. Like this, you can make many more of your paragraph. That's all in this video. I hope you all understand what is paragraph writing. Thank you and have a nice day.